Oh, okay, now fast it. Now hold the rope. Okay, there we go. Grab it, grab it, grab it. What's up, guys? Welcome back. And today I'm joined by my friend Mick over here.
Oh yeah.
Who recently picked up this inflatable kayak from BCF. And the plan today is to hopefully get at least one squid. And we're gonna cook it up on the beach. And also this is Mick's first time ever being in the water, so hopefully nothing bad happens, but knowing my luck, something probably will. But let's do this. Any comments, Mick?
I am very excited. I can't swim. Well, I got a life jacket. I don't know, I'm just praying right now.
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Here we go. Try a run. You ready?
You're not floating?
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. That kayak though. I think this is my second cast and I got a squid already. This is gonna be our lunch.
Let's do this.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. It's a big one. My lunch. Oh, it's fighting so hard. Oh my gosh, and this is a kid's rod. Like I didn't get the Iron Man one. Oh, it's a huge one. Put it underwater. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! It's a monster! Oh! Oh, jeez! That's a monster! Okay, so to kill a squid, he's going to chop behind his head. Ready? Holy crap! Dude, I've never caught a squid this big! Oh my gosh! Look at this thing! Okay, I'm gonna cast again because there's gonna be another one out there.
Let's do it, let's do it.
Oh my gosh, Mick, what's going on? So I just hooked another one. Oh, look at it, look at it! Look, you see that? You can see that? Oh no! Sorry, bro.
A few moments later.
Oh yeah, I can see it. What do I do? Real.
I'm ready.
Slow. Other way, there we go. Yeah, but slow though, don't let it break off. Keep going, let it, oh, okay, now faster. Now hold the rope. Okay, there we go. Grab it. Oh, Mick, drop it. We lost it.
They asked me to just have to say that you're fine. You're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they wouldn't understand.
Don't.
Oh, we gotta re-catch that one.
Oh, that was so close.
Oh, I got it! Oh my gosh. Dude, this is the best thing ever. Shut up, guys. Nick, you gotta grab this one. Oh, you can see it. Oh, yes. Grab it. Behind his head. Grab the squid. I'm grabbing the squid. Grab the squid. I'm grabbing his head. Grab it hard.
Oh, it's really...
Oh, shit. What do I do? Drop the squid.
I'll drop the squid right now.
Okay, wait, pass him. Okay, wait, come. I can't.
It's really slimy. I'm panicking.
We got it.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Second squid.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, so.
Yeah, boy. He's gonna hop in. Let's do this.
Another one.
Oh, God.
Like, don't drop a squid.
So we've been out here for maybe like 10 minutes, casted exactly 3 times, and got 3 huge squid that we're going to be eating up for lunch. Hopefully we can get a ton more because this has been the best so far. Woo! And hopefully Mick can catch one now.
Yeah.
So Mick's currently doing a piss off the side of his kayak.
The boy just found a crab. You can dive in and get it.
So Mick's about to hop into the water for the first time ever. He's never been in the ocean.
God help me.
Watch out for the crabs.
See that?
Mick's first time entering the ocean. In 21 years, he's never been in the ocean.
Welcome to 2020.
Put your head in the water.
Whoa! Whoa!
See how nice it is?
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah. So Mick, what's it like to be in the ocean for the first time ever?
Where am I gonna be? Bruh. Oh, yes.
The best?
This is a new experience for me.
You hear that? If you've never been in the ocean,
Never.
check it out because it's the best, like Mick said.
It's so good. This is the best. Oh man. I'm still peeing, by the way.
Oh man, it's freezing though.
This is nice.
Cannot wait to get back to shore, cook up the squid and our 1 crab. So hopefully I can remember how to clean a squid, but from memory, you come in behind its head, try and separate its head from the hood as much as you can. After you separate as much as you can, you just want to pull, I can't speak. Pull here and all its guts should come out. Oh yeah.
Yuck. What's that?
And then you want to try and dig your nails and cut the side of the backbone. Ah! 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 Okay, I got it. I think my back's getting so bad sunburn, but it's alright. It's worth it. And then when you separate it, you just want to yank it out. Oh!
Whoa!
Never seen a backbone that big.
Whoa!
And now my back is getting burnt.
Massive.
And then here is your squid hood. Try and turn that inside out. So what we're going to do, I'm going to rip off the wings first. Ah man, it's so slippery. Slippery snake. Oh! And there we have it. Where'd it go?
There it is. Abs though, bro. It's massive.
There's
Ooh.
1 wing. Boom. Ah.
Ooh.
And here's the hood of the squid. It's a big one. And then we're going to try and turn it inside out. So it's so slippery. How do we turn it inside out? That just slide on my hand. I don't think I can.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So my dumbass forgot to bring the pan to cook the squid up on. Oh man. Like I always say, it's never an EJC episode if something doesn't go wrong. So we're gonna head back to Mick's place to cook it up. So we'll see you there. Peace.
Hi, I'm Miklo. welcome to the dipping station. So this is a calamari, egg, crumbs. Let's do this. Bam. Bam.
Mmm.
Bam.
Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you have to have chocolate on. Mix up a bit more. Yeah. Ah! Not this again.
Not for too much in there.
My face.
Have a bit. Oh! Are you okay? Oh my gosh, are you okay? Did it go in your eye?
Chocolate on. Good. Chocolate back on. Oh man. Oh. That looks so good.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to eat this.
Bruh.
Not too bad. Oh! Golden brown. Here you go, cheers.
Bang. Mmm.
Mmm. That with rice or... Oh yeah. Let's finish this. What's happening? It's become like a stew. Oh man!
Touch the lid. That's
Ooh.
done. That is done.
That's got a lot of oil.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna get a heart attack after eating this. Okay, now we have this.
Look at this.
What's the name of it, Nick?
The mixed spatula.
Oh,
Dang. Look at
this
that.
is so much. We ran out of breadcrumbs, so got some corn flour we're gonna use.
Brought to you by Cole's Corn Flour.
That's a lot. It's leaky. That's a lot. Oh no, it's not that much.
No leaky, bro. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh, no, don't put the flour in.
Put in the flour.
There's no more oil. It's like a stir fry. And lucky last, we have our blue swimmer crab.
Boom, boom, boom.
Never tried putting it like that, but here you go.
Should I run?
So we've just been sifting out all the burnt parts, and look at this.
Bruh.
Oh my gosh, it's everywhere.
Oh man.
Imagine eating all that, man, you die. Mik's special burnt squid. Got the crab. Here we go.
Let's do this.
Okay, let's say some grace.
Lord, thank you, Lord, for this day. Thank you.
Why are you laughing?
Thank you for your blessing. Thank you for your squid. Thank you for the crab. Thank you for your creation and your creativity that we can eat this. Thank you for water. Thank you for our kayaks. Thank you for your bargain.
And the burnt flour.
And the burnt flour. Perfect. Thank you for Ethan as well. That he came. And let's eat. Amen.
Let's eat. Amen. Alright guys, so Mik's just gone to do a poo. We're gonna eat this, and I don't have to give a review because I already know it's gonna be good. But anyway, thank you again guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's episode. Peace! Bye! Got a nice size land, wow!